At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. An esthetician client intake form is a document new clients fill out before their first session. It collects important personal, medical, and skincare history to help estheticians understand their clients' needs and provide safe, effective treatments. This form is commonly used by estheticians and similar professionals, like massage therapists, to create personalized services and ensure the safety and success of the treatment. To fill in this form, your clients must follow these simple steps. Step 1. Download the esthetician intake form. The first step is to download the esthetician client intake form. After that, collect your client's personal details and instruct them to enter data into the form fields. Step 2. Fill in the applicable medical history questions. Clients answer questions about their medical background and medications. If nothing applies, they can write none. Step 3. Complete the skincare history section. Clients provide info about past treatments and current skin concerns, so the esthetician knows what to focus on. Step 4. Read the client agreement and sign. Clients sign the form to confirm that the information they provided is complete and accurate. This form is perfect for estheticians who offer services like microneedling waxing, skincare treatments, facials, microdermabrasion, laser hair removal, lash and brow services. Esthetician trainees or assistants can also use it if they help with intake. Using esthetician client intake forms in PDF format can significantly enhance your practice. Here are the specific benefits. Ensures confidentiality of intake forms. Digital forms protect sensitive medical details and are easy to store securely. Promotes equal treatment for all clients. Every client fills out the same form, so everyone gets a consistent and fair experience. Saves time on intake interviews. Clients can fill out the form ahead of time, speeding up the first appointment. Eliminates reliance on memory. The structured format ensures you don't forget important questions. Addresses clients' concerns effectively. The form includes space for clients to explain their top skin concerns, so you can prioritize what matters most to them and build trust. You can learn more about topics like esthetician client intake forms in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.